So I just got the Hydration Bladder. This is going to be the green one in 1.5 liters. So I just want to give my first impressions of it and also go ahead and put it in my bag. All right, so here's what we get. There's the bladder itself, the tube, some instructions, and this cloth. So here's a closer look at the bladder. And the reason I got this one is for a few things. Firstly, this goes ahead and rotates to open, so it's a lot easier when I go ahead and put water in. And the second reason is for the tube. It's just a lot easier to go ahead and put in place. All you gotta do is just press this button, and here you can see this goes ahead and goes in. So it gives me space to put this inside, and I can let go. And there, now it's nice and secure. Here's what the top of the tube looks like. It also has a cap, and there it is. All you gotta do is just bite into here and suck, and water comes right out. So now let's go ahead and fill this up. So I finished my 10-mile jog. Went pretty well. One thing I will say about this that I didn't know is it does have like a locking cap. So when I tried to drink from it, it was pushed in. So when I tried to like squeeze and suck, it didn't go through. And then it took me a while to notice because I looked on the cap over here and it said on, off. So when I pulled it, there, now I was able to go ahead and drink water. That was the only thing, really. And then here's how it looks like from the back. It was a good amount of space. And then instead of hanging this on this side, I just put it in between these straps afterwards, just so it's easier to take off, because it was kind of, the tube wasn't long enough for me to pull it even more and then drink like this. So I had to take it off this part over here, which was a little uncomfortable. So again, that's why I just end up sticking it up here, which worked pretty well. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with this and excited to keep using this one.